Good morning, folks. It's another beautiful day in southwest Trinidad, and you can see from the dewdrop on these grasses here that there's moisture in the air. Yeah. So this morning I'm just going to share a little bit of a gardening tip with you guys. All right, so stay tuned. So only thing I use blackstrap molasses, and this is a 1 gallon bucket. So I put about 2 teaspoons of the liquid in here, right? And I would apply it to the plant. So I would usually put this molasses with rainwater. This is water collected from the rain here in a barrel, right? I will top up the bucket like this. Right, make sure it's all mixed in. I will then pour it into my spray can here. This is my spray can. It holds about 3 liters of water. Right, so this is my little kitchen garden here. I have some peppers here. Now, blackstrap molasses is rich in nutrients, right? So here I'm just applying it to the soil here using my spray can here, including calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, sulfur, sugar, and micronutrients. It can be added to the soil or spray to promote a quick source of energy and encourage healthy microbial growth of the soil. So this is my little secret here I use. I also use Epsom salt. So you have a couple of them here, like small tree here. Now recently we had some rain in the area, and it has helped the plants significantly. You know, rainwater is always a boost for the plant as well, you know. But like everything else, you know, care is something that every plant needs. So, you know, it gives me a great joy to really tend to my plants, my little kitchen garden here on mornings. It really does give me a great joy to do that. And I'm sure every gardener would agree with what I'm saying when it comes to caring for your plants. So folks, it's harvest time, man. Alright, nice. Let's harvest some pimentos. Now folks, my stuff are purely organic, eh? And I would have shared with you one of the secret that I use, and that is blackstrap molasses with water. I give them like once every maybe 2 weeks, and if you watch the quality here, folks, testimony to what I'm saying, right? Look at the quality of pepper here. These peppers don't melt when you put them in the refrigerator. They surely don't. Alright. Caleb love to harvest. See him over there. But I think it's important that you teach your kids about planting and harvesting and all that. You know. How you feel when you have this, son?
Happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
So folks, this is the harvest here. So I use Epsom salt as well. I put like 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. And of course,
A bowl of pimentos every day.
so we're thankful for the Earth's bountiful harvest, man. Look at that. You kill it here, man. How you feel? Good?
Pimentos.
Nice. How you
Shining.
feel? Incy wincy spider climbing up the wall. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Hey man, you good? Alright. In the jungle, the beautiful jungle. Right. Look at this mushroom, folks. Maybe something rare, I don't know. Papa Smurf, where are you? Beautiful, look at that, nature. Beautiful, beautiful nature, man, look at it. Up here, them here too. Oh, look at that. This is the buttonwood tree. This is a very hard wood, people. This is the moss on the log here. It's like a drone flying over a forest here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that, folks. Look at that, folks. Beautiful, beautiful nature, man. Beautiful, beautiful nature. All these logs. Oh, look at that. Hey, Caleb, what's up, man? You guys seen Caleb here? Alright, that's Caleb right there. That's me here.